Actually, sinabi ko kay babe na I wanted to connect to the world, and this is how I feel that I'm connected. I feel connected when I am surrounded with the nature. Surrounded with the nature. Oh, you're yawning now, babe. Oh! So, ganyan. We're actually heading to Half Moon Bay. Now, my babe said that it's going to be windy. Okay, don't take that up right now, okay? Hold your... It's so funny actually to think about this, that this is how we started our vlog. Back in 2017, after we washed our clothes at Google, we head over to this place, and you know, it just out of nowhere. It's very unplanned. It was not in our itinerary of the day. Hot now, so I can take my... Is it hot, babe? No? It's cold? A little bit? Okay, I'm gonna bring my... We're in a different side, babe, yeah? We are in a different side. Look at... So nice. Wow. Woo. That's so nice. Wow. This white sand, guys. I can feel the coldness here. I'm so glad that I have my slipper on only. I did not wear my shoes like you. Kasi you have to cross that little creek right there. There's no way to. Guys, I forgot to bring the water, but I did not forget to bring the wine. Walang tao, guys. Walang makialam. What? I like the sun. Is this what makes you relax as well? I can tell that I am more outgoing compared to my babe. See? It's a bright future. Thank you. I have funny story to tell, guys, na dito sa US, pag bumibili ako ng wine, they always ask my ID because they thought that I am, you know, teenager. This is the other side of the world. This is the other side of the Pacific Ocean. getting cold. I can't. I have a story to tell you guys that before we became, you know, in a relationship with my babe, he told me that I am what? High maintenance. You thought that I am high maintenance because I'm always drinking wine. But he didn't know that I worked before with a wine company, and the wine makes me relax after work, and I get used of it already. I mean, I get used to it, so